Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create tree map in Microsoft Excel 2016. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to create the tree map. At first, select some data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option. Then go to the all chart. Now I am select the tree map chart and click OK. Now we can see we make a tree map chart. You can rename this, click inside the chart title and rename the title. Now I am select the chart and go to the chart design menu. We can see here many chart style. You can add any chart style. Now I am select this. Otherwise you can add any element or remove any element. Now we can see we make a tree map chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.